If your iPhone battery is draining faster after the iOS 18.3 update, then try these steps to fix this issue. First of all, open Settings app on a mobile device, then simply tap on the battery option available there. Inside battery, look at the battery usage section to see which apps are consuming the most power. If any app is using more battery than expected, try updating it or limit its usage. After that, simply tap on the charging option available there. Inside charging, make sure that your optimized battery is toggled on. Make sure to toggle on the optimized battery. After you do so, go back to the settings again. Now, once inside the settings, all you have to do is again scroll down and tap on the general, then tap on the background app refresh, then disable it for all apps or only for apps that don't need constant updates. Make sure that the background app refresh is off. Now, after you do so, again go back to the settings and this time tap on the privacy and security option available there. Inside privacy and security, make sure to turn off the location services entirely or disable it for specific apps that don't need access. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.